Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of hitting record, battling bad lighting, stressing over what to wear, or just plain hate being on camera, then this video is about to change your content creation game forever. Hook, midnight to 0:15. Imagine creating professional, engaging videos for your brand, your social media, or even your clients, without ever needing to show your face. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, that dream becomes your reality. Intro, 0:15 to 0:45. In this full tutorial, I'm going to walk you through HeyGen, the revolutionary AI video platform that lets you generate stunning videos with realistic AI avatars and voices, all from just text. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from zero to a fully produced AI video, ready to captivate your audience and save you countless hours. We'll cover everything from picking your perfect avatar to crafting dynamic scenes, and even touch on how businesses are leveraging this tech. So, let's dive in. Main content, 0:45 to 5:45. Alright, once you've signed up for HeyGen, you'll land on your dashboard. It's clean, intuitive, and ready for you to create. We're going to hit Create Video. First, let's talk about avatars. HeyGen offers a fantastic selection. You can browse through different styles. There are realistic avatars, studio avatars, even creative avatars. Scroll through, find one that matches your brand or the tone of your video. For this tutorial, let's pick a professional-looking one. You can even filter by ethnicity, age, or gender. And here's a pro tip, you can even create your own custom avatar using a short video of yourself, but we'll stick to the pre-made ones for now to get started quickly. Next, the voice. This is where your script comes to life. Once you've selected your avatar, you'll see an option to choose a voice. HeyGen has an incredible library of high-quality AI voices in various languages and accents. Listen to a few to find the perfect match for your message. You can adjust the pitch and speed here too. Just like with avatars, HeyGen allows for voice cloning, so you could even clone your own voice if you wanted, a powerful feature for maintaining brand consistency without being on camera. Now, for the script. This is the heart of your video. You can type or paste your script directly into the text box. Make sure your script is clear, concise, and engaging. HeyGen will automatically convert this text into speech for your chosen avatar. You can add pauses, emphasize words, it's incredibly flexible. You can even import a script directly from a text file or use HeyGen's AI script writer feature to help you generate content ideas. If you want a head start, check out the templates. HeyGen has a vast library of pre-designed templates for everything from marketing ads to educational content and social media posts. Using a template can save you a lot of time by giving you a pre-built structure that you can then customize with your own script and branding. Let's pick a simple explainer video template to show you how easy it is. Once your avatar, voice, and script are set, let's look at the backgrounds. You can choose from HeyGen's stock image and video library, upload your own images or videos, or even select a solid color. This allows you to fully customize the visual context for your avatar. For instance, if you're explaining a complex topic, a clean studio background might be best. For a product demo, maybe a relevant product shot. And it doesn't stop there. You can add elements to your scenes. Think text overlays, images, shapes, even your brand logo. This is crucial for branding and adding extra information. You can also upload your own background music or choose from HeyGen's library to set the mood for your video. Just drag and drop, resize, and position. It's like a mini video editor right within the platform. Finally, scene management. Most videos aren't just one continuous shot. HeyGen allows you to easily add multiple scenes, each with its own script, avatar, background, and elements. You can duplicate scenes, reorder them, and even add smooth transitions between them to create a polished, dynamic video. Once you're happy with everything, hit the preview button to see a rough cut. If it looks good, Hit submit and HeyGen will render your final video. Depending on the length, this might take a few minutes, but you'll get an email when it's done. So, what are some practical applications? Imagine creating engaging social media ads, comprehensive explainer videos for your products or services, e-learning content, internal corporate communications, or even daily news updates without ever having to set up a camera. HeyGen empowers individuals and businesses to scale their video content like never before. Pros and cons, 545 to 645. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of using HeyGen. Pros asterisk. 1. Massive time and cost savings asterisk. No need for expensive equipment, studio rental, or lengthy editing sessions. You save hours and dollars. 2. No camera anxiety asterisk. For those who dread being on camera, this is a game changer. Focus purely on your message. 3. Professional quality asterisk. The avatars are incredibly realistic, and the voices are natural, resulting in high-quality output that looks professionally produced. 4. Scalability asterisk. Create multiple videos quickly and consistently for different platforms or target audiences. 5. Multilingual support asterisk. Easily create videos in various languages, expanding your reach globally. Cons asterisk. 1. Cost asterisk. While it saves on traditional production, HeyGen is a subscription service, which can be an investment for smaller creators. 2. Uncanny valley asterisk. While impressive, some AI avatars can still feel slightly off or lack the nuanced expressions of a real human. 3. Learning curve asterisk. Like any new tool, there's an initial learning period to fully utilize all its features. 4. Less organic interaction asterisk. You lose the spontaneous, unscripted human element that some audiences prefer, especially in live content. 5. Reliance on script asterisk. The quality of your video heavily depends on the quality and engagement of your written script. CTA, 645 to 715. And there you have it, a full walkthrough of HeyGen, a tool that's truly revolutionizing video creation. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited to start making your own AI videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool insights, and let me know in the comments, what kind of videos are you planning to create with HeyGen? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.